Yeah. Bro.
Intro?
Go ahead.
What's up, Friday Garage? Today we're taking off pretty much the entire exhaust off a 2021 Mustang Ecoboost. It's gonna sound like shit.
Freako boost.
Let's get into it.
Grab a jerk stand. Oh, they're nice and loose already, bro.
Oh, this thing's junk. Going down.
I feel like that's gonna be fine too.
I don't know if I trust you guys.
Guys, it's done. I mean, lickety split.
But here, like,
Now we're gonna go have a big shenanigan. Just real quick, give us the rundown one more time for the viewers. Just so no. Dude. Beak. Alright,
mufflerless Ecoboost.
let's do it.
We'll start it, and at the Huey Magoo's, we'll blah 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 blah. I didn't even start the car. My foot doesn't hit the brake.
Sorry.
Let's get a shot of that.
Sorry, you should apologize for having your seat set the way you like it.
Sounds like shit.
You get a little spool though.
Alright, let's get this thing on the road. Well. Wait, just get a shot of this. Okay.
This spool is kind of cool, actually. Dude, my keys, they're gone.
I put it in track mode, wait.
Holy fuck. Hey, let's keep it quiet.
Yeah.
My bad.
The fucking wind is just eating my ass right now. Dude, that's fucking not cool.
Quick either, because we'll track it.
Look at the motor.
Oh god.
It honestly sounds good at the low RPM.
Actually,
Jeez,
Oh, it's not even that drony.
it's bad.
It just buzzes.
It's quite easy. So the sound's coming out the bottom.
Oh, throw it in neutral and give it a couple revs.
Right here.
Wow.
do that.
What? Stupid change.
I can smell it.
Yeah, me too.
What's that sound like?
Let's do like louder.
It's silence. Shit, dude.
This bitch in paddle.
No. It's the right
It's so awesome.
I'm blurring your face out.
I'm gonna show my dad.
You gotta show. Yeah. Not with the camera pointed at me, dude. Dude, I'm trapped.
Mine's going so I can hear it.
Dude, that's ridiculous. You're just going 70.
I'm actually going 50.
Dude, we're cutting
Oh,
off.
you were going 70.
We're swimming. Oh.
Put it in neutral and what? Oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm thinking it's gonna be.
Just like go. Yeah.
Why is it actually whoa. There goes the Z. Damage report.
Nice. Little bit of.
Fucking threw this thing into fucking park.
I don't care.
She was just like,
I saw. You could hear it outside.
What was I gonna do? Kill it?
And you hit the curb, dude. That
Get
shit
in
was
the
funny.
car.
he was like, dude, you have to delete that. It's like, no.
Do like some normal people driving. Fly by. Let me know what you guys think about this car. The way it sounds. Down in the comments below. I think, honestly, I think if the turbo noise is louder and the car noise is a little more refined, it sounds way better. Another Ecoboost. So as you guys saw, all we did was just take 2 bolts off. And then, you know, the car's stock ride height, so you really don't have to worry about the, you know, muffler and whatnot dangling, because it's hung up with hangers. Oh shit, here it comes. Dead, bro. Not the best driver in the world. I would get one. That thing sounds pretty good, honestly. Oh, we got a Ecoboost coming by. It sounds kind of weird. I think manual cars sound better because you control how they rev, if you know what I mean. The auto, it kind of just like does its own thing, you know, thinks for itself, but you think for the car when you drive a manual, in my opinion. So, sounds pretty good. Ooh, hear that last little backfire? He's a push though. Oh, G-Wagon. Dude, you could just sit here in car spot. Like, lifted Chev. Kind of dope. Wow, that sounds so good. Dude. This a robbery.
That truck was following us.
Cause
Like, he did a rip by us.
Cause you threw a drink at me.
Yeah, he like gunned it past us and he fucking got behind us again.
They parked.
And then he followed us into the parking lot and then he shot us with a fucking AK-47 full automatic.
You have to get in the back, hurry.
I'm getting in the back, bro. I'll compose myself.
Driving course?
So you know
You went to
the
driving
street
school
by the back.
and you still suck at driving.
So you-
Go right, go right.
I used to be scared of
Bust all over the right side. I think that sounds pretty good. It could be more refined. I kind of like a trumpet noise.
Nice jet skis.
Dude, stop! Stop! Oh my god. I thought we were gonna die. gas mileage? Like,
the other one was like way
23 city, 33 highway.
that's,
Great little
I mean, right now.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
It doesn't tell me.
There's no way to check.
No.
Base model, bro.
It's always a base.
I love you. On the line.
Dude, get it just a glimpse of how chopped I am. All right, now viewers, rate the chop from 1 to 10.
Dude, she just
10 being like completely unfuckable, like would never even touch with a 10-foot pole with hand sanitizer on it. 1 being like fine as fuck. I'm thinking somewhere around the 7 range.
Oh, the how much chopped you are?
10 being you wouldn't
5.
touch me
You're
with
5.
a 10 being you wouldn't touch me with a 10-foot
You might as well
pole.
just say rate me 1 through 10, not rate the
I like the
choppness.
sound it makes when it starts.
But you can't lie. You'd like this shaggy eye in your.
No, I would not. Rate how
But that's
chopped
the other
Wyatt
5.
is.
There's a 5.
Top
1 through 10, how chopped is he?
0.
Oh, he's not chopped at all.
That's fucking a lie.
Be honest, bro. You can be honest with the viewers. How chopped is Wyatt?
0.
Dude, I missed it. Do it again. Do it again. Pretend to punch her in the face again.
Throw the clip. Throw the clip.
Oh, put on the limiter, bro. It's a Celica, idiot.
It is.
Dude, not cool.
Which way should we go now?
Straight?
That's what my car sounds like.
You wish.
I want to hear it from the outside, actually.
It sounds like.
Let's go get a big